Want to rotate an image in Elementor, but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can keep your designs looking sharp and polished. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand side menu, click on Pages, and then go to All Pages. You'll see a list of every page on your site. Find the one you want to work on and hit Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, locate the image on your page that you want to rotate. Select the image, and you'll notice a tiny pencil icon pop up. Click on that. It will open the image editing panel on the left side of your screen. In that panel, head over to the Advanced tab. Scroll down a little, and you'll find a section called Transform. Click to expand it, and inside, you'll see an option labeled Rotate, again with a pencil icon. Click on it, and a sliding bar will appear. Use that slider to rotate your image to any angle you want. Left, right, upside down, you name it. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Publish at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You just learned how to rotate images in Elementor like a pro. Honestly, Elementor is the tool I trust for all my web design projects. Click the affiliate link below to try it out for yourself. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. See you in the next one.